Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to put community on your YouTube channel. I'm now inside my YouTube Studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to land on this page, just go to studio.youtube.com. After arriving on this page, just go to Settings, then click on Channel, go to Feature Eligibility, and you need to enable the intermediate features, and after that enable also the advanced features. For the intermediate features, the only requirement is phone number verification. In your case, just add your phone number and verify it by filling the verification code that you will receive on SMS. After that, move to the advanced feature. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. After that, move to the advanced features. To enable the advanced features, just have the intermediate features enabled, and one of these: video verification, valid ID verification, or channel history. Channel history means only keep working on your channel for 2 months. After having the advanced features, the community tab will be added automatically to your channel. And this is how to put the community on a YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.